Emerging technologies are transforming our world at lightning speed. But with rapid innovation comes hidden risks, gaps in oversight that can threaten consumers, the environment, and even market stability. Today, we'll explore these blind spots, why they exist, and how industry, policymakers, and licensed recyclers can work together to close them. Technology evolves in months, while laws often take years to adapt. Multidisciplinary innovations, like AI in healthcare or bioelectronics, cross multiple regulatory boundaries, creating confusion over who's in charge. Many existing laws were written before modern data collection, autonomy, and global supply chains existed. And with products designed, built, and deployed across borders, enforcement becomes an uphill battle. Emerging technologies can move from prototype to market in a matter of months, with updates pushed continuously. Policymakers often don't identify risks until after deployment, meaning rules target outdated versions of the tech. Static regulations quickly become obsolete. To keep up, we need regulatory systems that are designed to evolve alongside the technologies they govern. Many new technologies sit at the intersection of multiple industries. A single product can fall under healthcare, electronics, and software rules all at once. Without clear ownership, approvals stall, and companies face conflicting standards. The solution lies in better interagency coordination and creating clear lead regulators for hybrid technologies. Most data protection laws were created before machine learning and can't fully address predictive profiling or passive data collection. Legacy safety standards often ignore connected sensors and autonomous functions. These outdated rules are being retrofitted, but this reactive approach can't match the pace of change. We need purpose-built standards that consider a product's entire life cycle from design to decommission. Today's products are designed in one country, manufactured in another, and sold worldwide, often with cloud-based features hosted abroad. Companies can exploit looser oversight in certain regions, launching first where rules are weakest. The result is uneven protections for consumers and the environment across borders. When laws aren't clear, companies often regulate themselves. Some set high ethical standards, but others prioritize speed to market over safety. Without external guidance, long-term risks can be overlooked until harm is already done. Strong internal governance, like independent audits and transparent reporting, is essential to maintain public trust. Emerging tech introduces unfamiliar materials, from biodegradable electronics to nano-enhanced components. Many of these don't fit into existing recycling streams, leaving no clear disposal path. Without proper planning, these materials can create new environmental hazards. Partnering early with licensed recyclers ensures safe handling, recovery, and compliance from the start. To keep pace, regulation must become adaptive. This means scheduled reviews, data-driven updates, and supervised sandboxes that allow controlled testing. Adaptive regulation gives innovators clarity while allowing regulators to observe real-world impacts before finalizing rules, benefiting both public safety and industry progress. Closing regulatory blind spots requires cooperation between industry, scientists, policymakers, and civil society. Internationally aligned standards help prevent a race to the bottom, while shared definitions and reporting metrics improve transparency. Continuous global engagement ensures that oversight evolves alongside innovation. Companies can act today by building agile compliance programs, anticipating multi-sector oversight, and engineering products for end-of-life from day one. This includes creating material passports, tear-down plans, and take-back programs with licensed recyclers. Responsibility must be clearly assigned, covering risk management, recalls, and recycling. Licensed recyclers play a critical role in translating novel materials into safe, compliant handling processes. They co-design take-back programs, ensure traceability, and feed recyclability data back to R&D teams. This collaboration reduces environmental risks, supports regulatory compliance, and strengthens the circular economy. Innovation should move fast, but never at the cost of public safety or environmental health. Closing regulatory blind spots is a shared responsibility between policymakers, industry leaders, and recyclers. By making end-of-life planning a core performance metric, we can ensure that new technologies serve both progress and the planet. If you're developing or handling emerging technology, we can help ensure its end of life is managed safely, legally, and responsibly. Because innovation should be agile, oversight adaptive, and disposal responsible. Partner with licensed recyclers to close the regulatory gap.